Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing these attachments for my Dyson vacuum. First and foremost, I would like to say thank you to the company for sending me these products so I could go ahead and give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this box is packed with attachments for your Dyson vacuum. The great thing about these is that they are compatible with a variety of Dyson vacuums. So make sure you check to see if your Dyson is compatible with these. So let's go ahead and take a look. So let me go ahead and show you this first one. Take a look. I'm going to go ahead and give you a closer look. It has these nice soft bristles. The great thing about this is that you could use it on carpets or on hard floors. Has like this squeegee looking part on the back just to make sure it scoops up any dirt or dust. Take a look. Has this swivel, so you are able to use it underneath, around, corners. So you could see it is flexible, so it does have that bend motion. And this is simple to attach. Simply push this into your Dyson vacuum. So I'll go ahead and do that now and show you how it works. So I do have the Dyson Animal 11. So I'm going to go ahead and just make sure that aligns. And all you want to do is just simply snap it in. Take a look. That fit perfect. Take a look. So it's the same thing. You want to go ahead and attach this. The great thing about this is that you could get into those corners. You could use it on your couches. You could use it on your air vents. Very, very nice. It expands. Super good quality cord. And to put it on simply, or to put it on or remove it, you simply want to press down and it immediately comes off. And then you want to go ahead and snap this one into place. It also comes with this additional attachment. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box. You want to go ahead and put this one on there, just like that. And then this has these bristles. Take a look. Super nice, soft bristles. And like I mentioned, you could use this on air vents. You could use it on your couch. You could use it on the corners of your home. Simply attach it and you're good to go. Overall, if you are looking for attachments for your vacuum and if you're looking for good quality products that are compatible to your Dyson vacuum, I would definitely recommend check these out.